Hello friends, I am Naneshwar from Design Techno. So last tutorial we learn about revolve command. So in this tutorial we learn about sweep command and helical sweep command. So first of all we can select top plane and sketch here. We can draw any sketch like spline like this and click on select, click OK. So next sorry, create a sweep feature, click on sweep and click on create edit or sweep section like this. So we can draw any sketch here. So we draw sketch here and click on OK. So we can get like this. For this we can also create pipe or any hollow shape by using this command. So we edit definition. We also as a surface also we create here like this, and we can also adjust the thickness like that command. Thickness is about surface, then this. So we can get pipe. We can also adjust the dimensions from here. So this is sweep command. So next we see helical sweep command. Delete here, consider top line sketch for helical sketch, helical sweep, and draw a line like this for creating spring. In helical sweep we can, by using of helical sweep, we create a spring. Yes, so after sketching line we click on OK now. So next we click helical sweep, OK, then select line, OK, then select axis. About we can rotate the spring, like select this axis and then sketch. So we create any profile like circle for close here. We create here a small circle of any dimension. We can give 50 mm. We can give 50 mm. So click OK now, and we get like this spring like structure. So we create, and we can also edit speech here. If whatever maybe you can change this like 78 see here, spring like this. So this is a helical sweep. We also sweep as a surface here, like clicking on this. So we get hollow shape. It is also change the direction of spring, left-handed rule or right-handed rule. From here you can give the pitch dimension. Okay, so this is okay. So please subscribe my channel for other new tutorials. Thank you.